Sunday, beautiful ones. Meal prepping is done for the week. So it's kind of stacked high this time with my mason jars. So these are the leftover watermelon juices from last week that I still kind of had. And then I made watermelon and pear juice. I didn't taste it. I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Most of my juices are, so I'm not really scared all the way. Then I have tea this week, apple cider vinegar, ginger, water, honey. Then I have my chlorophyll water for each day, and then I have my magnesium powder portion out for each day, and I'll just add water each morning. Then for breakfast, I have oatmeal, oats, sugar, raisins, and walnuts. And then for lunch this week is pasta with spinach, garbanzo beans, red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and I'll have an avocado on the side, well, on top. Then for dinner this week, I have rice, broccoli, and then these egg rolls I just made. I really want to use up my sweet Thai chili sauce. And then I decided, nope, that's it. That's it for this week. I thought I had something else. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. So I'm really upset. No fruit this week because the pears I purchased are all hard as a rock, so they're not ready to be eaten. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't sad. I should just bought some apples.